Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and create forms in Smartsheet. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to streamline how you collect information, by the end of this video you'll know how to build a custom form step by step, making it easy for teammates or clients to fill out data and for you to organize it on your Smartsheet. So let's dive straight in and get started. First things first, let's locate that iconic plus button in Smartsheet. If you're on your home screen, you'll notice a plus sign, or you can find it as a Create button on the left side navigation. This button is your gateway to creating anything new in Smartsheet, including forms. Go ahead and click it now. Sometimes it can be easy to overlook if your screen is busy, so take your time and make sure you've got the right place. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see a list of different items you can create, and you're going to choose Form. Forms are super handy for gathering information, tracking requests, or building workflows, so this step is really worth mastering. After choosing Form, you'll land inside the Form editor. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll want to add a heading which acts like the title for your form. Just click and drag the heading from the toolbox area onto your form. You'll see a spot pop up where you can type your heading information, maybe something like contact request or event signup, whatever suits your project. Adding a clear heading helps people understand what your form is about at a glance, which is great for reducing confusion when you send it out later. Now let's build the fields that people will fill out. First, go ahead and add a field for name. This is typically the first thing you want to collect so you can identify submissions. After that, add another field for last name. If you drag and drop these elements in, you can customize the labels to fit your preference and even reorder them if needed, just like arranging puzzle pieces to create the perfect picture. Want to add a checkbox? No problem, just select the checkbox element and drop it onto your form. For example, you might use a checkbox to let users agree to terms, select multiple options, or simply indicate yes or no for a specific question. You can add a label next to the checkbox too, such as subscribe to newsletter or request a follow-up. These little details help tailor your form to your exact needs. One of the best parts about Smartsheet forms is that you can customize nearly anything you want, from different types of fields to the order they appear, and even changing colors or instructions if you like. Don't hesitate to experiment a little here. If something isn't quite right, you can always edit or move it later. Adjust as needed until you're happy with how your form looks and functions. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Save. This step locks in all of your changes so your form is ready to go. Remember, saving regularly while you work can prevent any accidental loss if your browser refreshes or if you step away for a bit. Once you've saved, click Sheet. That'll bring you back to your main data view where you'll see the sheet that's linked to this form. And now click Form again. You'll get to see your finalized form in action just as your users will. This is a great time to review it, test it by filling out a sample entry and make sure everything looks and works as you hoped. And there you have it. Now you know how to find, create, and customize forms in Smartsheet, making your data collection process smoother than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more examples, and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.